Hello. Hello, hello. How are you guys? Good afternoon, Jesus. How are you?
Hello, teacher.
How are you, man?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. We're ready for another class. Hello, Paulette. How are you today?
Hello, teacher. Good, and you?
Good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Hi, Mr. Paul.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good.
Great. Great, great. We have Evelyn. Hi, Evelyn. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you. Mr. Gabriel, hello. How are
Hello,
you?
mister. How are you? I'm good,
Everything
thank
good
you.
with you? Everything fine. Hi, Paulette. How are you, Paulette? Ah, ya te saludé, Paulette.
Yes, teacher.
Let's see, Alina. Alina, how are you?
Hi, teacher. Good, thank you. And you?
Everything fine. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, let me see your cameras, guys, so we can start with the class. Please, please, please. And but after, before, while. Okay. Thank you very much. Today we have not a new topic, but we are going to continue with past progressive. But today we are going to focus on the negative sentences. All right, so we are going to continue practicing past progressive. What we're going to do, let's explain past progressive. Past progressive, but in the negative form. All right, in the negative form. That's what we're gonna do. All right. Okay, guys, so remember about past progressive, okay? We're gonna talk about past progressive as, or better yet, we will use it when something was not, this is important, was not happening in a specific, okay? We will use it when something was not happening in a specific time, obviously, in the past. Okay? So this is pretty much like the definition that we can have about past progressive in the negative form, right? Talking about negative form, well, here we have it, right? Something that was not happening. And if you remember this line, right? And we mention a specific time in the past. Hi, Emiliano, how are you?
Good, teacher. And you?
I'm great, thank you. Ready? Beautiful shirt. Nice color, Emiliano. I like it. All right. So we will use it when something was not happening in a specific time in the past. This one over here is your specific time in the past, right? I'm gonna say something like, yesterday at 5 p.m. That is my specific time in the past, right? So something was not happening, right? Not happening. I'm gonna say yesterday at 5 p.m. I was not working, we'll say working at the school, right? That is my personal idea, right? Yesterday at 5 p.m. I was not working at school. So what I'm saying was not, right? Is because was not happening. Hi, Camila. How are you?
Hi, teacher. Fine, thank you. And you?
Everything good? Are you ready for class?
Yes.
Perfect. Angie, hello, Angie.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm great. All right, let's continue, guys. So this is what we are gonna do, okay? Negative sentences. So I'm gonna say, I was not, this is gonna be the conjugation that we have. I was not, you, what is the past for you? You, what?
Where?
As of where, thank you, Jesus. You were not. And then we go with he what? Coming back to,
Was.
I'm sorry, he was not. We go with she was not is the same. It was not is the same. We come back to, sorry, we what? That's different again. We
Where?
we were not, and then they were not. Okay, very nice. If you want to do the contractions, obviously you can say I wasn't, right? I wasn't playing, for example. You weren't, right? You weren't, whatever. You weren't working, I don't know. We come back to, oh, sorry. He wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, okay. We come back to we weren't. Talking about the contractions, right? And they weren't. There you go. So we're gonna have wasn't. We're gonna have weren't. Okay. All right. No questions, right? No? Alina, Paulette, Camila, questions? Angie? Easy? It's easy, right? All right. Very good. So let's continue. What do we have? Is an aren't. All right. Let's go with exercise number one of the day. Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. This exercise first. Past progressive and connectors. All right. Oh, no, 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 no. This one is what is number one? This one is first. Let me check the book. We finish with this one. We finish with this one. Oh, no, no. What am I doing? Positive, we finish with this one. We finish with this one. Okay, okay, so this one. Okay, so we have a video, okay? So guys, you are going to watch the video and you're gonna say, for example, they were not playing soccer, for example. So what you need to do is to watch the video and you need to tell me what they were not doing, right? What was not happening? For example, let's open the video so we can show the example, okay? 1 second. All right. Okay, let's see one example, okay?
True English Academy
Relax.
Listening Program. True English Academy Listening Program. Step number 19. What was not happening? Exercise 1. Instructions. Look at the videos shown, then write down something they are not doing in the video. Use
Something they are not doing. Something they are not doing in the video.
progressive in its negative form.
For example, what they were not doing. What they were not doing. So you can invent whatever, right? They were not what? For example, Alina. What they were not doing, Alina, in this video.
They were not
It can be whatever. They were not. Or for you, Paulette? It's okay, Alina. What they were not doing, Paulette.
They were not run,
They were not what?
run,
But remember that is with ing.
running.
They were not running, for example. ¿Sí? La pregunta es, ¿qué es lo que no está pasando? Entonces, puedes decir, ellos no estaban corriendo. Right? That would be the dynamic. Okay? So we understand now the activity? Yes? All right. Let's play the video, okay? So what he was not doing, what he was not doing. What he was not doing. Okay. Number 3, what they were not doing. What they were not doing. Number 3, what they were not doing. Number 4, what he was not doing. What he was not doing. Right? More time. You're okay, Emiliano? Good? Number 5, what he was not doing. What he was not doing. More time, more time. Let's go with he. What he was not doing. The teacher. What the teacher was not doing. Number 11 is for she. What she was not doing. What she was not doing. And to finish is they. What they were not doing. Okay. You got it? Yes? Good, Emiliano? Good, Paulette? Hi, Jaisa. How are you? Me mandaste mensaje, Jaisa. No lo puedo ni checar, I'm sorry.
Hi, teacher. Good afternoon.
Oh, your homework. Okay. Thank you, Jaisa. A rato reviso, okay? All right. Everything good, Angie, Camila, Evelyn? Everything good?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, Paul, you are going to be, anoten este número, porfa. Paul number 1, Jesus number 2, Alina number 3, Paulette number 4, Emiliano number 5, Evelyn number 6, 7 Camila, 8 Angie, 9 Jaisa, 10 Paul, 11 Jesus,
Teacher,
12.
¿cuál me tocó?
1, 2, 3, 6, I think, Evelyn.
La 10 no la tengo.
No, you don't have 10?
Teacher, yo no tengo.
¿Cuál, Evelyn? But you have 1, Paul?
Yes.
Okay, so Paul 1, Jesus 2, Alina 3, Paulette 4, Emiliano 5, 6 Evelyn, 7 Camila, 8 Angie, 9 Jaisa, 10 Jesus, 11 Paul, you have 11?
No tengo 10, 11, and 12.
Okay, never mind. So 10 Jesus, 11 Alina, 12 Paulette, 13 Emiliano, 14 Camila, and 15 Angie. Okay? So I'm going to play the video again, and you have very limited time, tiempo limitado para leer su oración de what is not happening. Okay? Ready? Here we go. Okay, Paul, you're number 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's go. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Paul, yeah, what they were not doing?
They were not see a movie with the friends.
Okay. Change C for watching. They were not watching. Okay.
Watching.
It's not, I don't know. I'm gonna go with, can you help me, Jesus? For Jaisa? What they were not doing?
They weren't fighting in the city.
Perfect, they weren't fighting. You're next, Jesus, again. What he was not doing?
The teacher wasn't eating in the class.
Perfect. Number 11, Alina. What she was not doing, Alina?
She wasn't.
She wasn't reading. Very good. Here we go, Paulette. What they were not doing, Paulette?
They were not studying.
They were not studying. Very good. Ready, Emiliano?
Yes, teacher.
Perfect. Emiliano, what they were not doing?
Yes, teacher. They were not running.
Excellent. 14, I don't remember. Camila, maybe. What they were not doing, Camila?
They were cleaning their house.
They were not cleaning?
Yes.
Yes, they were not cleaning their house. Very good. Angie, help me for Jaisa, please. You got
Yes.
15. Okay. Angie, what they were not doing?
They were don't see it.
They were not watching, maybe?
Is say no stop.
Say. Okay. Saying. They were not saying. It's good. They were not saying what?
The TV.
Ah, seeing. Seeing. All right. I gotcha. All right. You got it. Everything good? Perfect. Okay. Well, let's continue. Let's continue. So listen, guys, the next exercise is this one. Grammar, past progressive, and connectors. So what we're gonna do now, oh, I'm not sharing, no estoy compartiendo. Sorry. Sorry. All right, so this one is finished. Okay, let's go with this one, okay? Look what we need to do now. We are gonna do past progressive. We're gonna continue with past progressive. Past progressive. But now we are going to combine or mix, right? Positives with negatives, all right? For example, we're gonna have to use a connector in here, right? And then we have another line in here. What we're gonna do, remember, this is idea number 1. We're gonna have idea number 2, and we are gonna need a connector in here. All right. Look at the connector. What possibilities of connectors we have in the book? How many connectors are possible? Can you tell me? For sure, we have and, we have but, right? We have while also. We can use because. What else? And, but, while, oh, after and before. Okay. Because, not necessarily. After and before. Okay, so these are the possible connectors that we have for past progressive, okay? So if you do idea number 1, for example, you can say, she is, I'm gonna do a positive, okay? She is cooking, and what else? What can you tell me? She's cooking and that's your connector. She's cooking and she is, oh, but this is in past, I'm sorry, guys. She was cooking. She was cooking and she was watching TV. Cooking and watching TV. We understand that one, right? Two actions, correct? Now, in that case, we are gonna have idea number 2, right? In here, we're gonna have a positive sentence. She's cooking and, so the connector and is going to be for positive, positive, or negative, negative, okay? It's, but number 2, which is but, it's a contradictory. So we need a negative sentence for but, right? So how can you complete the sentence? She was cooking, but you need a negative. She was cooking, but tell me. Can you help me, guys?
But she wasn't hungry.
She was cooking, but she wasn't very good. But tell me another activity, Jesus. She
Uh,
was cooking, but she was not.
she wasn't playing.
She wasn't playing. She was cooking, but she wasn't playing. Okay. Positive, negative. That's good. Okay. While, remember that while, ¿se acuerdan de qué significa while?
Mientras.
Mientras, all right? So we can do while with another person. For example, it can be a positive sentence, but no she, another person, because it's, she was cooking, ella estaba cocinando, while, mientras, and then we can change the person. Mientras my dad, while my mom, while the teacher, you know? So we can change the subject in a positive. Can you help me, please? It was cooking. Tell me, Alina.
She was cooking while he was washing the car.
Excellent, very good. While he was washing the car. Perfect. Excellent. Okay. Let's go with the next connector, which is after. She was cooking after. We can say some time after the party. Make sense? After the party finished. Ella estaba cocinando después que la fiesta terminó, right? After. And what we can do, this is a positive, by the way, I'm sorry. This is a positive. Positive. Yeah. And before, same situation, right? She was cooking before I would say she was cooking before the party started, right? We understand this ones, yes, right? This one and this one, we understand it, yes? Yeah, okay. All right. So right now, I want you to practice and, but, and while. Only this one, and this one, okay? And, but, and while. Because they are essential for the past progressive and the combination of positive sentence and negative sentences. And, but, and while. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to complete these ones, right? Here we have connectors. So you can invent a sentence, all right? I'm gonna give this one for Angie, this one for Paulette, okay, Alina. Think about only one sentence that you can combine with a connector. Alina, Jesús, Paul, Camila, I have Evelyn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Remember, only the connectors but, and, while. You finish. We can complete it. What happened, Jaisa? Your internet. Me secó. Ah, okay. I'm sorry. Ready, Emiliano? Nope. No. Alina, you got it, Alina? Yes. All right, help me, Alina. Give me your sentence.
She was sleeping while he was in the school.
Okay, that's perfect. He was sleeping while he was in school. Very good,
She?
you got it. She?
Yes.
Okay, she was. It's okay. All right, who's next?
Me,
Tell me, Jesus, please.
I was going to the park
I was going to the park.
after I was finishing my homework.
I was going to the park after, very good. I was finishing, this is very good. I was finishing my homework. Okay, got it. Thank you, Jesus. Who is
I'm ready.
next? Tell me, Angie, please.
Yes. She was running in the night, but she wasn't use her cell phone.
Excellent. She was running. We're going to change to at night. And then what is the connector?
But
But she wasn't. We're going to use is the verb.
yes,
Okay, so we're going to change it to using herself. Perfect, Angie. You got it. Thank you very much. Who is next, guys?
Me, teacher.
Tell me, Emiliano, please.
Yes, teacher. I was go to the swimming.
Okay, I was go. This one, Emiliano, is with ing. I was
Going
going to swimming
after
after
I was asleep.
after I was sleeping. This one with ing too, okay?
Yes, teacher.
All right, very good, mister. Somebody else, guys.
Me, teacher.
Tell me, Paulette.
She was playing basketball while her brother was doing the homework.
Okay, one more time, I'm sorry. I was doing my colors, Jesus Christ.
She was playing basketball
I
while
was playing basketball. Mhm.
her brother was doing the homework.
Basketball. While, correct?
Yes,
Her brother, okay. Tell me more.
was do the homework.
The homework. This one, Paulette, was
Doing
doing the homework. Perfect. All right.
Finish.
Tell me, Paul, please. Tell me, mister.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
I was reading a book, but it never ended.
Nice sentence. I was reading a book, but it never, very good, Paul. And, but this one, Paul, in this one, put it in past.
Ended.
Ended. It never ended. Thank you, man. All right. Evelyn, Camila, who is next?
finish.
Tell me, Camila.
She was writing a letter while she was doing a school project.
She was writing a letter while, very good. While who?
While she was doing a school project.
While she was doing a school project. You got it. And to finish, Evelyn, please. Here, Evelyn. Evelyn. Nope.
Perdón, es que no me dejaba prender el micrófono.
Hi,
Yes.
Evelyn.
She was playful after she was play basketball.
Okay, very good. Playing basketball. She was playing football in this case? I understood pool. Pool. She was playing football. After she was playing basketball. Yaisa, no sé si puedas hacerla por your internet. Do you have a sentence? Very good. Okay. We're finished. We're finished. Okay, guys. Let's finish with the class with one listening and we go, okay? Listening and we finish. Can you help me, Alina, with the instructions, please?
Yes, exercise 3. Listen to the sentences. Write down the verb you hear. Is it in positive or negative?
Very good. Okay. So very simple, okay? You listen and you tell me was or where or wasn't or weren't, okay? Depending. Those are my options. You need to listen to the sentence. Okie doke. Y solo me escriben eso. For example, these are the answers. Look at the answers. Very short, okay? Okie dokie. All right, let's finish with this.
True English Academy Listening Program. Step number 19. Was, were, wasn't, or weren't. Exercise 3. Instructions. Listen to the sentences. Write down the verb you hear. Is it positive or negative?
Number 1. They were fighting about the money. Number 2. Rhonda wasn't cleaning this morning. Number 3. Benjamin was having problems last week. Number 4. William and I weren't playing video games last night.
One more time, this one is difficult.
William and I weren't playing video games last night. Number 4. William and I weren't playing video games last night. Number 5. Henry was taking the bus at 6 a.m. Number 6. They aren't working in the barber shop anymore.
That is positive, I think. Listen. I'm sorry, not
No.
positive. Not positive. In present. It's not weren't. Listen.
Henry was taking the bus at 6 a.m.
That's easy.
Number 6. They aren't working in the barber shop anymore.
It's in present, right? They aren't. Be careful. Aren't.
Number 7. Jill was painting her room last Sunday morning. Number 8. The dog wasn't running around the house. Number 9. I was not dating last year.
It's not contracted. No contraction.
I was not dating last year.
Was not.
Number 10. You were not paying attention to the class. Number 11. They were doing the homework. Number 12. My dad was working when I called. Number 13. We weren't listening to the conversation. Number 14. I wasn't running because I was tired. Number 15. The car wasn't working this morning. Number 16. The lady wasn't following the bank rules. Number 17. My kids were not sleeping in the next room. Number 18. The policeman was not guiding the traffic. Number 19. We weren't asking for the price. Number 20. She was not texting her boyfriend.
Number what? We finish. Yes. All right. Okay. Les envío estos al grupo. Bueno, les voy a enviar aquí la answer key al grupo para que lo revisen. ¿Sale? Y me dicen ahí en el grupo cuántas de cuántas. Por ejemplo, la edad. Y tell me, Jesús, 18 out of 20. All right?
Latino.
Okay.
Prof.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, you finished. Well, let's give it to me. Give me the scores. ¿Ya
18.
terminaron? 18, Jesús. All right, you got it. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow then.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Finish.
Tell me, Alina.
90.
Excellent. Thank you, Alina. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Paul, what you got?
Finish.
How many? Paul?
20 of 20.
Nice, man. Mister, very good. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. See
Tell
you
me,
tomorrow.
Angie. Bye-bye, man.
I have 17 out of 20.
Excellent, Angie. Very good. See you tomorrow then.
See you
Finish.
tomorrow. Bye.
Tell me. Bye-bye. Tell me, Paulette, please.
18 out of 20.
Excellent. Already. See you tomorrow. Cami. Bye-bye.
17 out of 20.
17 out of 20. Very nice, Camila.
Thank you.
And
Goodbye.
ya. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Yaisa, hiciste el ejercicio.